Hi, my name's Andrea Roberts and I'm one of the lecturers here. I teach health and social care. I teach a mixture of FE and HE. For HE, I'm a programme leader of the Health and Social Care Foundation programme here. In the first year, we offer a blend of modules, so students will engage in 6 modules, so some people might know that as subjects, on all different topics. So in the first semester when they start, up until January, they'll learn 3, they'll be assessed, and then they finish, and then they'll pick up the other 3 and learn those for the rest of the year until they break for the summer. Types of topics we cover are health and society. We look obviously at study skills and research methods. We look at sociology. We look at health across the lifespan, all different health needs. So there's an equal balance of both health and social care modules that we deliver. We're very much aware of individuals' learning needs and their various learning styles. So we do try as best we can to deliver teaching through more creative and innovative ways. I would say we took the scenic route into higher education. I left school with A-levels, but unfortunately it wasn't for me university when I was younger. So I went on, had a career, had my children, and I didn't go back into higher education myself until I was in my late 20s. And then I worked for a long time in the sector myself. So all the staff have sector experience of working in either health or social care, which is a fantastic way of teaching you and helping you understand, because your lecturers have actually done the jobs out there. So wanting a career in health and social care and undertaking a degree programme like we offer here is so rewarding. The amount of topics and experiences that you get by working or studying health and social care is unbelievable. We tend to attract individuals who are caring naturally. They've got those qualities within them. But they want to just work and support individuals to improve their lives, because that's what it's all about.